Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to learn how to download the Frontier Airlines app on your smartphone. Frontier Airlines is an American ultra-low-cost airline that provides great deals and cheap flights. So if you are planning your next trip, having the Frontier Airlines app on your phone lets you explore flights at low fares. So let's dive right in. First of all, unlock your phone and find the App Store if you're using an iPhone or the Google Play Store if you're using an Android device. Here I'm using my Android phone, so I'll go on and open Google Play Store. Once you're in the store, you can see the search bar at the top of the screen. Tap on it and now type Frontier Airlines. You'll see the Frontier Airlines app appear in the search results. Look for the official app. Here I can see Frontier Airlines app developed by Frontier Airlines. So this is the official one. Tap on it to open the app page. On the app page, you'll find an install button if you're using an Android device or get button if you're using an iPhone. So tap on it to start downloading the app. The download process might take a few moments depending on your internet connection speed. Once the download is complete, the app will now automatically get installed on your device. You can see the open button. You can directly launch the app from here. Tap on open. It is asking me if I want to allow this app to access my device location, so you can choose accordingly. I will choose don't allow for now. You can see log in at the top left corner of your screen. Tap on it. From here, you can sign up for a new account by clicking on sign up or log in if you are an existing user. And there you go, you have successfully downloaded the Frontier Airlines app. Now take some time to explore its features. You can book flights, manage your bookings, check in online, and even access other exclusive offers. So happy travels! If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.